Okay, so good morning all. So today we will learn how to convert a plane system to axis system and how to increase and decrease the size of the axis. We will go for some um, change of unit. Okay, so after opening 3D experience, you need to go 3D, 3D, 3D section. Then search there part design. As we will do 3D modeling. So first open part design, double click on it. So wait for some time. After that you will get this screen. Okay, sometimes this plane system is not available. Okay, in that condition you need to go for display and click on geometry. Then you will get the plane system. So as it is very difficult if you hide if you uh, hide x y yz and zx plane in the tree, then it is very difficult to know which plane it is. Okay, for that we will go for axis system. Okay, so first you can hide from the tree section one by one. Right click, hide and show x yz plane, right click, hide and show zx plane, right click, hide and show. Or I'll come back, or you can select directly 3, right click, hide and show. Okay, so I have selected the action pad, that why it is on the screen. Or if it is not there, I close this action pad. If it is not there, just right click display and here it is action bar. Okay, so we had hide the plane system. You can see which element is hide. You can see in the left side, sorry, right side. Wanna display the no and show, and just click there. Then you can see xy plane, yz plane and zx plane is hide. Okay, you can come to the again 3D screen. So we had completed the hiding of a plane. Okay, so now we will go for creating the axis system. For creating an axis system, we need a origin point. For an axis we need a origin point. So create a point. So the origin is, that coordinate is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. See, you can see it, point types on curve, on plane, on surface, circle, sphere, ellipse, center, tangent to tangent on curve, between. But I need only coordinate. So x0, y0, z0. In which coordinate you want to place the axis system, you can give that coordinate point. Click OK. Okay, now insert an axis system. You can select from the action pad or in your section, display icon section. Here it is axis system. So origin point, we had already created the origin point, point 1. Okay, then click OK. Now sometimes the axis system size is very less. Okay, sometimes it is very big. For that, what do you need to do? We need to change the axis system setting. Okay, just go to preference, then click on preference. In your cloud system it is legacy preference, or if it is in your server system you can directly go to preference. So after that this screen will come. Then you will go to here infrastructure, preference, then infrastructure, then go to 3D shape infrastructure, and you can change the axis system display size. Okay, I want 50 or 51, 50. Okay, then I want to change the, I want to set the unit. As you know, the all unit is mm. In design it is in mm, but sometimes the sketch is in inches, centimeter, meter. Okay, in that condition we will go to unit, and here change the unit to kilometer, inches, foot, feet. Okay, but we need millimeter. Okay, with value, with formula, it is a different thing. Whenever you will go to EKL, some advanced course, at that time you will learn, you need to check on with value, with formula. Okay, so here you can setting the display, your tree manipulation, automatically scroll the activation during the drop and drag, display geometry during the tree scrolling, tree zoom after clicking um, any branch. Okay, and here remember the performance should be, you should maintain like this 0.02. Okay, that is a fixed performance. Visualization, I want to, which background you want, you just change that background. So it is by default is in your setting, so no need to change. Okay, then this is enough for the initial time. Then click OK. Now the your axis system has been completed.